Hi guys. All right, so this recording is for 10.7, example 6. Here we go. Tanya, who is a long distance runner, runs at an average speed of 8 miles for each hour, so per hour. 2 hours after Tanya leaves your house, you leave in your car and follow the same route. If your average speed is 40 miles per hour, remember you're in your car, so you should be faster than her running, right? How long will it be before you catch up to Tanya? So it says use a simulation of the two motions to verify your answer. That means you're going to have to use a calculator. I can't graph parametric in on this, okay? So, or at least I don't know how. So that's going to be done on a graphing calculator. So you can totally do that to verify your answer. If you need help with a graphing calculator, please do come and see me in a tutorial, okay? Now, in Algebra 1, we used to solve a lot of this. So this is definitely okay to solve in Algebra 1, except on the test, you will be asked to solve using parametric equations, okay? So we're going to do it that way. So first, we're going to start with Tanya, okay? And you are in your car, so car and you, okay? So what is going on? We are going to talk about x and y, because parametric, you're going to have both x and y. Well, because you have Tanya and you, we are going to use subscripts, okay? So x2, y2. Well, Tanya runs at an average speed of 8 miles per hour. So we're gonna let t be number of hours, okay? So that means 1 hour, she's gonna have 8 miles, 2 hours, she's gonna have 16, so it's just gonna be 8t. Then I also need a y equals in parametric, okay? Well, we are not really thrown anything, so we're not interested in the height. We're just talking about two things going horizontal. So y subscript 1. In theory, guys, you can let this be anything you want, okay? Anything you want, as long as it produces a horizontal line. So to have a horizontal line, you can have 1, you can have 0, you can have 2, you can have 8, whatever it is, okay? So the y value is not important for this context, okay? Now, you in the car. If Tanya leaves now, okay, it says here in the problem, it says 2 hours later. So if Tanya leaves now, that means 2 hours later means t minus 2, okay? Then your speed is 40 miles per hour in the car. Now y2, and again, anything you want as long as it is parallel to y1, okay? You can still even do 1, okay? But because I want to put in my calculator and see the difference between the two, so I'm only picking 2. Okay, again, I'm repeating this. I'm only picking 2 because if I were to graph this out to check my answer on the calculator, if I were to pick 1, like Tanya, then those two would totally be the same, and I don't know which one is which. Okay, I have an old school calculator. They don't have colors. I'm only picking 2 because that way I know, oh, you know what? You in the car, it's slightly higher, okay, than Tanya at y equals 1. You can even pick 0. It doesn't really matter, okay, as long as they are parallel to one another. The question is really asking, right? How long will it take for you to catch up? Not what time or anything like that. How long, okay? So catch up, question mark, okay? To catch up, because the height is exactly the same, they're on the same road, so I don't need to solve for y, okay? But I do need to solve for t. So I'm going to set x1 and y and x2 equal to one another. So that means 8t equals 40 times t minus 2. So 8t equals, I'm going to distribute, so 40t minus 80. I will move the t to one side. So that's going to be minus 40t minus 40t. This will leave me with negative 32t equals to negative 80. I'm going to solve for t. T is going to be divisible by 32. So 80 over 32, I will try to reduce that. It's going to be Let's see, divide by 4. Actually, divide by 8. How about that? 8, 8. So this is going to be 10, and that's going to be 4. Divide some more. That's going to be 5, and that's going to be 2. Okay, so T is 2.5 hours, or I love fraction. Leave it in fraction if you can. Okay, but because it's hours, most people would probably relate with 2.5 hours more. Now, that is not how long it's going to take you to catch up with Tanya. That's how, like, 2.5 hours is the total hours, okay, that you guys would meet up. But remember, you left 2 hours later. So what does that mean? You have to take 2.5 minus your 2 hours. Okay, this is your delay time, remember? Okay, equals really 0.5. Okay, so the final answer is you will catch Tonya in 30 minutes or half an hour. I would take either one, or in half an hour. I'll take 30 minutes or I'll take half an hour. It's really up to you. All right, that is the end of this video.